So friends, in this video, I will be talking about how we can calculate momentum of a photon. Okay. When the electron comes from the higher energy state to lower energy state, what happens is that photons are emitted of specific wavelength. So when the photon is emitted, we can calculate its wavelength using the Rydberg's formula. So this formula can be used to calculate the wavelength of the photon that has been emitted. It is given by 1 upon lambda is equal to r z square. R is Rydberg constant, z is the atomic number, and n1, n2 are energy levels. Out of this, n2 is higher energy level and n1 is lower energy level. So using this formula, what we can do is we can find the wavelength of the photon that has been emitted when that transition happens. Once we know the wavelength of that photon, then we can easily calculate the momentum associated with that photon using this formula, which says h divided by lambda. Okay, here h is Planck's constant. So if you know the energy levels from where the electron has transition, what you can do is you can, in the first step, calculate the wavelength. So 1 upon lambda can be calculated using this, and then all you have to do is that just plug in that value of 1 upon lambda in this particular formula. Just multiply that number with Planck's constant. Once that multiplication happens, what you get is momentum of photon. Okay, so it's very simple formula with the help of which you can calculate momentum of a photon that has been emitted when the transition happens. If you have more questions, let me know through the comments.